The question says, other than poaching, what are the possible reasons for the decline in the population of Ganges River dolphins? So, this question assumes that poaching is definitely one threat to the population of the Gangetic dolphins. But other than that, 4 statements are given and let's consider them one by one to arrive at the correct answer. First statement says construction of dams and barrages on rivers. Now students, whenever dams or barrages are constructed in the river, it actually changes the flow of the river, the depth of the river, as well as the sediment load of the river. Alright, and it kind of fragments the river. This leads to fragmenting of the river. And the riverine dolphin species that we are discussing is actually, it requires a very steady flow to thrive. And therefore, this fragmentation and this change in depth and sediment load does pose a threat to its survival, and therefore, this actually is a correct statement. The second statement says increase in the population of crocodiles in river. Now, this might appear to be a case wherein crocodiles, they appear scary and big and they appear to be posing a threat to the survival of other species. However, crocodiles and riverine dolphins have been known, especially the Gangetic dolphins, have been known to be cohabitant for centuries. And there is no evidence, there is a lack of evidence to suggest that the increase in the population of crocodiles has led to the reduction in the population of Ganges dolphin, and therefore this we can eliminate. Now, since we have already been able to eliminate one option, if we look at these 4 options and we eliminate any option that has the second statement, we will easily arrive at the correct answer almost automatically just by eliminating one statement. Alright, so we have our correct answer already. However, let's still look at statement 3rd and 4th. Statement 3rd says getting trapped in fishing nets accidentally. This is again a serious challenge to the population of these dolphins, and this happens because more often than not they happen to be the bycatch, which means they are not the intended targets. Nonetheless, they end up being the bycatch. They end up being caught in the or trapped in the fishing nets. Statement 4 says use of synthetic fertilizers and other agricultural chemicals in crop fields in the vicinity of rivers. This again is a very known threat